Hello and welcome to DFW Fence Contractor. You're probably wondering if you could actually get a quote from the comfort of your own home. We have a tool here that we can allow you to use that will give you that opportunity. You either found us on the internet or a friend or someone has recommended you to take a look at our company. We do appreciate your time today. Let me show you real quick on how to use our instant online tool. So there's a couple of places here on our webpage. There's some form contact where you could fill out your information. But by pressing these buttons here, if you click on these, get an estimate, and then you actually click on an area here, you can actually fill out your form and fill this out and send it to us. We can also email you or get back with you. But here we clicked on get the instant quote. So in this process of getting this instant quote, you're going to enter in all of your information. So that way, this is going to go and take a geographic look at the top of your home. Once it's on top of your home, it's going to allow you an opportunity to go ahead and mark where your fence is at. Now, you know your home better than we do, so this is the part where we need your help. We're going to have you click on a couple of areas and get some of the pinpoints around your property. So you can notice here that as I was filling out my own, that I made my own mistake and I was able to grab it, drag it, and move it and correct it and get it to the pins and get it to the end of the fence where I know it should go. So once you're getting all this pin located, marked, and everything set up, the next option it's going to have you do is go in and grab the gates. Every home has gates. On my particular home, I've got two different gates. I have a gate on the north side of the property and a gate on the south side of our property. So when I go in and select that, I want to go ahead and just grab the single walk gates. They're not double gates, but if you wanted to do a double drive gate, you could. Grab the gates, mark the gates on there, and then basically the next thing it's going to have you do is go in and select what style of fencing you want to use. So when it grabs that style of fencing that you want it to use, you're going to go ahead and select here. I selected the board on board and going to go ahead and get a quote on that. From there, the system is going to go ahead and build up the quote and send that to you. It's going to also ask that we contact you. So as soon as you click on that submit button, we're going to go ahead and reach back out to you and give you your formal quote. Once again, thank you for your time.